Hey y'all, it's Mary, and it's a holiday weekend, y'all, so I didn't put any makeup on. I actually did record some other things and took off my makeup, and then the mail came very late because that's how my post office is. Plus, I have already seen that other people have received their Allure box already. So let me show you what I got. I did look on Instagram and saw some of the spoilers, and so let's see what I got. The box is a little smashed up. It happens sometimes, but you know, it happens sometimes. So when you open the box, it always looks like this. It's always red inside. This does make a nice mailing box, but since this one's smashed, I won't use it. And then this is just, it doesn't feel like there's anything in here. It's very lightweight. This is the brochure. They do tell you about a lot of the, or about all of the products in here. So that will be nice. It does say, give an Allure Beauty Box subscription as a gift, the perfect gift. Shows that on the back. Now you can sign up under me and you get a discount. I think it changes by the month and I don't really know. And I think they give me $10, so that's what they're supposed to do, but it never happens. Or I shouldn't say never, it rarely happens. But it's okay, just, I would say look for your best deal and go that way. It doesn't matter to me. I mean, if you buy it under me, thank you, but if not, that's okay too. Now, if you are a member, they do have sales. Excuse me. And here it says, thanks for being a member. We love sharing our beauty face with you every month. And then it has some of their favorites there. And there are so many good things in the member store right now. So they do have a member store. And actually, if you are a member and you want to shop the member store, it says use code SUMMERS, that's plural, for $5 off. Valid August 1 to August 31. So that's nice to know. Now we're getting this box in July. This is the July box. So you'd have to wait till August to use that. So this Allure is a beauty magazine. I think we all know that. And these are what the different editors, things that they've tried and that they really like and they want us to try. So it says getting warmer. Getting warmer, it's like overheated outside. Like slushy drinks and popsicles, the products in July's Allure Beauty Box are refreshing summer treats. And it, you know, it has a whole thing, but I'm not going to read the whole thing. Let's see what I got, because there is a variation. We didn't get to pick this time, but there is a variation. So let's see what I got. All right, I'm so sorry I've got fur on me, and here comes Smudge. Oh, Smudge coming over. Oh, now this brand I've had before. This is a nice brand. Okay, Smudge. They do have a box that is the limited edition Reader's Choice Award Winners box for $99. It has all these things in it. If you can, scan that to read about it. And the value of the box is $343. So this flanery, it has a little mark over the A, so is that flanery? I know flannery, Italian. Irish, I'd call it flannery, but we've had this brand before. It's very nice. This is a pore refining exfoliator. Water Lily PHA. Pore refining exfoliator. It's this tube is really nice. Let's see. It is sealed. Oh, I can I believe I can smell it. It smells very nice. It smells how I want something on my face to smell. It's light and it's refreshing. So this is 45 ml. This is a full size. In the Allure box, I get ahead of myself, y'all. The Allure box is $25 a month. If you join for longer, I think they do 6 months and 12 months. You can get a great discount on a 12-month. And you are promised 3 full-size items and 3 deluxe samples. Sometimes we get more than 3 full-size, and sometimes we get 7 items if they have something special going on. So let me show you that. Again, and Blue is coming over. Once a week after cleansing, massage in a small amount of this exfoliator and then thoroughly rinse it away. So this is full size and it is $52, y'all. This box costs $25. So that's fantastic. And this is a brand that is fairly new to me. But I have received, I think I received a hand cream in another box. I'm pretty sure I did. I may have had 1 or 2 items from this brand, but it's a nice brand. It says the PHA is in the name stands for polyhydroxy acids, which are exfoliants that tend to be gentler than other chemical exfoliants. I like things like that. It says like AHAs and BHAs, so this is more gentle than that. But they still do a great job of removing dead skin. See, for me, I like that kind of thing. Some people want to really scrub their face, you know, with like gritty, sandy stuff, and not me. So next we have this we've had from this brand before. In fact, Nativa Spa. Did I get this like in Walmart Beauty Box? Maybe in Allure. This is Nativa Spa Rosé Replenishing Body Lotion. I'm trying to get the glare off for you. Moisturize your legs, arms, you name it. This body lotion keeps skin feeling smooth all day. The full price is $29. I mean, for the full size, it's 400 mLs, and this is 30 mLs. So this is quite small compared to what you would get. You know, I don't think it's sealed, y'all. Oh yeah, it is. I can smell it though. It smells a little perfumey. It might be too strong for me. I know I do like scented lotions, but if they're too strong, then I don't care for them. All right, Blue. Then we got the brand Viral. I like their products. They're very, very nice products. This is, my brochure is not printed well on this page. $42, or I think it's $142 for 65 mLs. And this is Golden Carrot Overnight Relief Mask. Oh, that sounds nice. This is 10 mLs and 65 mLs is $142. This like got double stamped, so it's hard for me to read it very well. Wow, Golden Carrot Overnight Relief. So there's not much here, but it's a good value what's here. Use this before bed in place of your usual nighttime moisturizer whenever you're looking for extra hydration. Oh, that's nice. I do look for extra hydration sometimes. So very nice, very nice. And then we got this. This is Yves Saint Laurent. Yves Saint Laurent. YSL to a lot of people. Blue. He's not trying to knock the box off of the table. Now, come on down, sweet boy. This is 10 ml. And the full size is 30 ml, and it's $56. So this is under $20. So this says, this primer has a glittery golden effect in the bottle, but on the skin it's all radiance and no obvious shimmer. Okay, let's open this box and see what this looks like. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, it was a little, no it isn't. It's beautiful. Okay, I don't know, the gold top and all. I see the little glitter, but it's very, very light, very, very light. And this has, I don't use a primer, y'all, so I'll put this in a giveaway. It's really cool, and the doe foot that's in there is like a plastic paddle. So you will be able to get that out and put it on, and then you know, put your primer on. That is cool, and that's, you know, almost a $20 value right there. So it says Blur. It's a Blur primer. Okay, so that is very nice. And then now we have a full size of this. Melon and Getz is a really, I'm not sure if you say Getz or Goats, but they've been around a while. They're a great skincare company. They also have wonderful candles. This is a perfume oil. This perfume oil's leathery, sweet fragrance lasts all day, even in the summer heat. Wow, that's saying a lot. $36 for 9 ml. This is full size, so this is a $36 value. Why you love it? If dark and stormy reminds you of summer nights, this perfume oil, with its notes of rum, sweet plum, and bright bergamot, will be a nostalgic hit. It's inspired by that classic sailor's favorite bay rum, with a sweetly crisp finish that makes the overall effect sparkling, not boozy. So it is a thin liquid in there. Dark rum, yeah. So let's see what it smells like. I love that kind of a scent. I'm not sure what, I was thinking it was, yeah, I was thinking it was going to be a roller ball. Let's see. See, I always do this. They say don't do it, but I do it. I like this. Now, I've got to tell y'all, this says it's for summer. You know, I think if you like a perfume, you can wear it any time of year. But this is, to me, reminds me of October. It's very, very nice. I really like it. I think, it doesn't say on here, but to me, it's very feminine / masculine. I think a man could wear this also. It's a little sweet, so maybe they wouldn't want to, but it says leathery sweet. I like it very, very much. But to me, it's very autumn. It smells very autumn. So, but they, you know, this is in the summer box, but that's okay. That's okay. All right, so that was a full size. I like that. I like that a lot. And then our last, then our last item is this, and this is full size, even though it doesn't look like it, but it's an eye cream. A great wake up for puffy, tired looking under eyes. Tula Skincare Glow, Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. This is a $38 value. Y'all, I have this right now. I have a couple of them going on. So I'm gonna show it to you. I'm not gonna open it. Glow and Get It Glow. I'm gonna go get mine and show you, but this is the blue one. So the blue, let me go get mine. All right, this is the one that they sent, the blue one. I believe this is the original. It says, let's see, there's no dipping your fingers into a pad of cream here. See, this is a tube. I'll show you on the other ones. I'm not, like I said, I'm not gonna open it because I don't wanna get it started. I'll put this in a future giveaway, most likely, okay? So I have these other two. I believe the blue was the original. And then they came out with the pink, which it's just called, this one is called Glow and Get It. And this one is called Rose Glow and Get It. And it doesn't, I don't have makeup on, so I'll show you. It doesn't have any color to it. See, well, you have a little bit of a sheen. So you put it under your eyes. I put these by my bedside because I do all my skincare, usually if I'm watching YouTube at night. And then when I go to bed, if I need a little more moisture, I'll put this on. And just, you know, don't rub too much around your eyes. You're never supposed to pull the skin around your eyes. But it doesn't have a scent. If it does, it's very mild. But it might look a little pink. You see that little bit of a shimmer there maybe on my hand? You can see it? Okay. And then this gold one is the Gold Glow and Get It, it's called, okay? So this one I got in one of my advent calendars. I only had two, can't remember which one. So this one is maybe more gold colored, and I'll put it, can you see that sheen? I'll put it here next to here. So it does have a gold sheen. This has a pink sheen. I don't know that you can see that on camera, but it's, you can wear this under makeup, I believe, but I never do. It doesn't really show up anything on your skin color-wise. It just feels really good. Helps with the under eye circles. So I didn't mean to have two going, but I do. And so the blue is the original, $38 value. So this is what I got. This is one full size. The perfume was full size. Where did that go? The Malin and Getz. There was a box for this. Full size. And the Flannery, the Water Lily PHA is full size. And then my deluxe samples are my Yves Saint Laurent primer, which I think this is a really good way to tell if you like a primer, because there's a lot of applications in here. And this body lotion and the Biro, which I'm very interested in this, because again, this would be something that I could leave by my bedside. So I've done all my skincare. I might be up a little while and then I go to bed. I put that under my eyes if I need a little extra. And then this will give me some extra overnight relief mask. So really nice box. Well worth the price. Well worth the $25, because we have, you know, these full-size items are over $100 when you add them up. So that is my Allure for July. And thanks for stopping by. And if this is your first time here, I normally try to look, you know, a little nice. So I'm sorry, y'all. Y'all enjoy the holiday weekend and take care and count your blessings. Bye-bye.